You've found what you've been looking for in this lovely listing. There are 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and 2 3/4 bathrooms in this spacious 2,285 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 239-595-6669. That's 239-595-6669. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.